Hey, hello guys, welcome back to the channel Software Brain. We are back with another new video. Hope you all are doing good and learning well. Guys, if you are new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and encourage us so that we could make more useful and interesting content for you. If you subscribe and encourage us, we will be doing more and more videos for you. So without wasting time, let's dive into the video. In this video, we are back with another concept which would be covered under our section most important coding questions. If you haven't watched our problem 1 which we discussed in our previous video, please do check out the most important coding sections playlist and do watch it. So in this question, this is also a very simple and familiar problem to you, but these kind of problems are generally asked in many of the exams, and this is a simple problem and you just need to understand it before going to write the program. So let's write a program to find the absolute difference of the sum of the digits and product of the digits of the given number. So I hope you might have understand the problem. The problem is simple. You would be given a number. You would be reading a number from the input. Suppose let us consider here you have read 323 from your keyboard. Now your number is 323. It has digits 3, 2, 3. The sum of the digits would be 3 plus 2 plus 3, that is 8. And the product of the digits is 3 into 2 into 3, that is 18. So now the absolute difference would be 18 minus 8. 18 is the product of the digits and your sum is 8. So 18 minus 8 is the 10. So if you are giving an input as a number 323, your output should be 10. Now you might get a doubt over here. So you might be doing product minus sum or sum minus product. If product is greater than sum, then you would get a positive number as the output. So I am not asking you here difference, the absolute difference. So you need to check. If you are in Java, you would be having some methods like math.absolute, which would round up your value to the positive number. So otherwise you need to check as if the product is greater than sum, then product minus sum, else if sum is greater than product, then sum minus product. So just think about the logic how you would solve this problem. So we have also come up with some test cases for your easy understanding. So the test cases are, let us consider the first scenario. We have a number 1, 2, 3, 4 and it has digits 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you sum up the digits, the sum would be 10. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 10. And the product of the digits 4 into 3 12, 12 into 2 24, 24 into 1 24. So the product is 24. So the difference is 24 minus 10, that is 14. If you consider another test case, here this is a little bit tricky and important. If you see here, the number is 1000. It has 1 and the remaining 3 digits are zeros. So now the sum is 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, that is 1. And the product, if you see little bit careful and tricky, see product is 1 into 0 0, 0 into 0 0, again 0 into 0 0. So your product will become 0. So now you would find the difference of that, that is since sum minus product is 1, then 1 minus 0 is 1. So think about the logic how you would solve this problem. Yes, we have come with some simple and easy logic. Generally everyone would consider the same logic. So this is simple and easy for understanding. So the logic is nothing but we need to get each and every digit of the number. And how you are getting how you would get the each and every number of the digit? Simple. To find the digit, you need to know the two concepts, that is number modulus of 10 and number divided by 10. So number modulus of 10 would give you the remainder, whereas number divided by 10 gives you the quotient. That means if you are dividing a number with 10, you would get the quotient. I mean the remaining number would be the quotient, and the remainder would be the last digit you needed. Okay, so you are getting all the digits through this logics, and you would be declaring two variables. One, I mean for storing the total sum and a total product, and each time you divide and get the number, you would be adding to the sum, and similarly you would be multiplying with the product. At final stage, when you finish getting all the digits from the number, you would be having the total sum and total product in these two variables. Now the final task is so simple. You just need to find the absolute difference and print it. That's it. So we have written a program for it. So let's discuss that. So I have written the program in Java, and you all know the Java is a completely purely object-oriented programming language. It would have a class. So I have written a class, and it would have a main method. So I have written public static void main method. Inside main method, I have written my logic. So my logic is nothing. Simple. I am just declaring my scanner, and I am reading my input system.out.println. Enter the number. Now the screen will prompt me to enter the number. Now in the next step, I am reading my input and storing it in n. Now, as I discussed earlier, I am declaring two variables for storing sum and product. The remainder is for getting the remainder. I will let you know when we are in the while loop. So as discussed earlier, I am declaring those variables for storing my sum and product. Now the crucial logic of the program, we are entering into the while loop. The while loop condition checks until my given number, whichever the user inputted, is greater than 0. Until then, this would be keep on running. So what I am doing in the while loop, as I told you earlier, there are two crucial concepts, that is modulus of 10 and divided by 10. If I mod 10, if I do n mod 10, number modulus of 10, I would get the last digit from the number. So if I am having 1, 2, 3, 4, I am getting 4, and I am storing it in remainder. Now I am adding this 4 to my sum. Initially my sum is 0. Now 0 plus the 4 remainder. Now it becomes 4. Similarly, my product has 1 initially. The reason why I haven't initialized my product equal to 0 is, if you consider, if I had declared it 0, then if you see here, product is equal to product into remainder. That is 0 into something would always be 0, and you would get anything. Hence the reason I am declaring my product equal to 1. So similarly, product is equal to product into remainder. My remainder I have 4 and product is 1. 1 into 4, 4. In the sum I have 0 plus 4, 4. Product I have 4 into 1, 4. Now I am reducing my number. See, now 1, 2, 3, 4 by 10, I would get the quotient. Okay. So now similarly, this loop will iterate until I have my number is greater than 0. If you obtain the last, now you obtained the 4th digit. Okay. Now next you will come to 3rd digit. Now next come to 2nd digit. Now you are in 1. Now you are in the 1st digit, that is while 1 is greater than 0. Remainder is 1 mod 10. You would get the same number. You are adding it. 1 divided by 0, you would get 0. Now enters the loop. The 0 is not greater than 0. And here your loop get finished. So we will be getting all the sum and product of the 4 numbers. So we are displaying those numbers here. Sum of the digits is equal to sum of the product of the digits is in the product variable. And finally, as I told in the beginning of this video, we are finding the absolute difference. The absolute difference, we have a method in Java, math.abs. So here I am printing product minus sum. Even the sum is greater than or product is greater than, it will take care of it, and we would get always a positive number. Okay, so in this way we are solving this problem. If you are stuck with anything, please do comment in this video. We would be giving more detailed analysis in our further videos. Okay, so I have also compiled this program and we have also got the output. If you see here, enter the number. I have entered 1 2 3 4. The sum of the digits is 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 1 10, and the product of the digits is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is 24. Now the absolute difference is 24 minus 10, that is 14, and I have also took another number 5 to 5. The sum of the digits would be 12. The product of the digits will be 50. Absolute difference is 50 minus 12. Similarly, as discussed in our test case, the third scenario is I have took 1000. The sum of the digits is 1, product is 0, 1 minus 0, 1. So that's all for this video. Please do subscribe and support us, and stay tuned for upcoming videos. Bye. Take care.